What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be doing a not regular video because my brother has joined my channel and he is going to be doing a little video about him and his Traxxas truck. So yeah. Morgan, how old are you?
8.
And what are you doing right now?
Driving my Traxxas truck.
What did you name your Traxxas truck?
Chucky.
So he has little hills everywhere. Ah! Stop flicking dirt on me. He has little hills everywhere built. So yeah.
Oh my god, I can't believe this thing.
I hope you can see it. Yep, here it comes. Ah, Morgan. Oh, it's gone. Okay. Morgan, make you go over those 2 hills.
This one?
Yeah. Morgan, you completely missed it. Hurry.
I'm trying to do.
Okay, guys. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Okay, Okay, guys, so Morgan has joined my YouTube channel, so he is going to have my buddy. Sorry if that was really close to my face. It's my cactus buddy. I named it Buddy. Morgan, quit flicking dirt on me! Or sand. Well, hope I don't end the video. Okay, so guys, Morgan is going to be posting some videos on my YouTube channel. So, yeah. So, bye, like, and subscribe.